Good morning students. Welcome back to the English Channel Prime. Students, in the last class we have completed the explanation to Unit 7, the parable talents, and also we have learnt all the exercises, questions and answers. So in this session, let's start with the grammar. Children, in this session grammar is simple past tense. Past tense meaning, children, as you know, the action word are called verbs and it indicates the time and express the tense, meaning when the event has been happened. So past tense meaning, it shows that it refers to the event that has already happened in the past. So the basic way to form the past tense is to just add ed or d to the present form of the verb. So verbs have the present form, past form and the past participle form, and past form is usually formed by adding ed or d to the present form. For example, we have to add ed to most of the verbs. If a short verb ends with a consonant vowel consonant, then double the last letter and then add ed. For example, walk will become walked, talk will become talked, decide will become decided. But if the last letter ends with E, then we have to add just D. And again, there are certain verbs which are irregular and we don't have any exact formula to change the form of the past tense. Like break will become broke, buy will become bought, choose will become choose. So there are no rules for irregular verbs and we have to simply learn them. And regular verb with one syllable, if it ends with one syllable, ends in consonant vowel plus consonant, then we have to add ed. Like stop will become stopped, plan will become planned. But regular verb with more than one syllable and ends in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, then double the final consonant only if the final syllable is more stressed and we can add ed. For example, prefer will be preferred, only ed. Regret, regretted, tt. So R is repeated, T is repeated, but we cannot say transfer, transferred, because here the syllable is not, last syllable is not stressed. We have to add only ed, no double R. Done, children? So let's do, using a dictionary, write the past forms of the following verbs. First question, eat, ate, fly, flew. These are irregular verbs. Move will become moved. Leave, left. Live, lived. Leave, lived. Go, went. Read, read. Attend, attended. Prepare, prepared. Visit, visited. Play, played. Watch, watched. Bring, brought. Know, knew. Listen, listened. Write, wrote. Listen, listened. Walk, walked. So, and last one is pray, prayed, enjoy, enjoyed, see, saw. So as per the regular verbs, we have to add ed. Irregular verbs will be written in a different form. Now second main, here is a letter written by Sneha to her father on her trip to the Nandi Hills with her friends. Read the letter and correct the errors in the letter. Dear father, we go to the Nandi Hills yesterday. So yesterday meaning past tense. Past, it is already happened. It has already happened. So we have to change the form of the go to went. We went to Nandi Hills yesterday. There were 30 students in the party. Correct. We traveled by bus. It will become travelled by bus. Then we leave the school at 9 a.m. Already past tense, so leave will become left. So here children, just notice, observe that all the verbs should be converted into the past tense because it is already happened. We reached there at 10 a.m. So what it will become? We reached Nandi Hill at 10 a.m. On the way, we saw on both the sides, correct, of the road. So we saw is the past tense of see, so it is correct. We saw on both the sides tall trees and thick bushes and monkeys too. The road was nice, correct, is became was. We play games and rest for 3 hours. It will become play will become played. We played games and took rest for 3 hours. We return at 5 p.m. Return will become returned. at 5 p.m. All of us enjoy the trip. So which one is the verb here? Enjoy. So it should be in the past tense. Enjoyed the trip. Yours lovingly, Sneha. Done, children? Now let's go to the third main. Rewrite the following sentences using the past form of the verbs underlined. The cobbler mends the shoes. Mend will become? Yes, mended the shoes. B. My English teacher teaches me the letters of the alphabet. Teaches will become taught. My English teacher taught me the letters of the alphabet. Raghu paints the pictures. Raghu painted the pictures. They keep their pet animals in a separate place. Keep will become past tense kept. They kept their pet. E. Those men enjoy watching TV always. Enjoy will become? Yes, enjoyed. Those men enjoyed watching TV always. Done, children? Now fourth main. Write in 7 or 8 sentences all that you do every day in your home before you leave for your school. Like, I get up at 5 o'clock, I brush my teeth. Yes, you can write. I refresh myself, I pray and meditate, I do my homework, I get dressed, my uniforms, I have my breakfast, and I put my shoes on. Done, children? Now, write in 5 or 6 sentences how your mother usually prepares coffee or tea. You may begin writing, my mother boils the water. Yes, you can go on adding, add the coffee, add the sugar, pour in the hot water, add some milk, stir the coffee and serve it. Done, children? Sixth main. This is what Shankar of class 9 did in his school. Read it completely and write in full sentences the actions of Shankar. So children, clues are already given. We can write it in the past tense like, yesterday Shankar attended the English class. I am saying you the answers. He visited the science lab. He read a book in English from the library. He listened to his science teacher and he had lunch with his friends. After coming back to house, he did problems in arithmetic and wrote practical records, and he went to play in ground. He talked to friends in the grounds. On the next day, he discussed with the geography teacher on project work. Done, children? All these verbs should be in the past tense. Hope you understand everything. Thank you, children.